Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what? Today is my birthday, guys, and I have a biggest surprise. He's my cousin. So, guys, wait and watch what is going on. Yes, guys, so the surprise is that I have got my visa for UK. Yay! So, everyone is happy, and today is my day to fly to UK. So, my family is waiting out, waving me, and I'm gonna miss them a lot. So now right now I'm at the international airport with all my luggage and everything and ready to board. Actually my flight has been delayed, so I just need to wait and let's see what happens. So guys, इन भैया ने मेरे लिए दरवाज़ा खोल दिया और कहा जा छोटी जा जी ले अपनी ज़िंदगी। और मैं निकल पड़ी अपने आगे आगे छोटे छोटे से पैर लेके अपनी मंजिल की ओर. So guys, today is a big day for me, not only for me but also for my family, because I hope till now you know the story that a new life, a new journey is gonna start. So I wish myself a very good luck.
Available with you at all times and not to interfere with the aircraft navigational equipment. Switch off all electronics or set them to flight mode. We can turn them back on when the
Layover of certain time, and उसके बाद we'll be moving for London. So basically I had a layover at Abu Dhabi for like approx 3 to 4 hours, and then I had my next flight to London. So guys, a lot of you would be having a question, whenever we have a layover, do we need a transit visa or not? So yes guys, you need a transit visa. Just kidding. So you need a transit visa if you want to roam around, like you want to get out of the airport. But then I was just looking after the airport itself. I didn't went out of the airport because actually 3 to 4 hours is very less to go out and roam around the streets of Abu Dhabi. And if you're like me, you don't need a transit visa. Relax. Currently we are in Abu Dhabi, and from there now we have a connecting flight, so we are waiting for our flight. So now it's time for the next flight that goes directly to London. And now I'm in the flight, so like you can see the actual time, like the origin time and the London time, and I welcome you on the board with me as well. I just shot it for you guys, so welcome, I love you. So as it was lunchtime, they welcomed us with cute lunch, and to be honest, the lunch was super amazing. The blend of Indian spices and everything, I was really concerned about the taste, but then it turned out to be really amazing. And in the box we had, I guess, rice, and we have it is shahi paneer. It's paneer plus gravy, so I guess it's shahi paneer. Yeah, because it don't have mutton and everything. But then this was amazing. I made myself a sandwich with the salad that they provided, because I'm a big fan of sandwiches, if you know me. So overall the lunch was really amazing. To be honest, it was like a very long time of flight, and it was very difficult for me to sit at one place because I don't like sitting at one place. So I was just trying to entertain myself by watching some cartoons, films and movies, and it was really good. But then it was really long flight. I hate, to be honest, sitting these long time. So me and food is a pure form of love that I show, and this cute lady came to me with tomato cheese sandwich and some coffee, and it was really good, and it made my flight a good charm. So I was bored enough and I was like, चलो दुनिया देखते, तो आप भी मेरे साथ देखो दुनिया कैसी लग रही है, ये छोटी सी प्यारी सी हमारी दुनिया, मदर अर्थ. सो दुनिया देखते देखते मैं पहुंच गई अपने डेस्टिनेशन पर. हेलो गाइस, आई हैव रीच्ड. लगेज इज सेट टू मूव. यहाँ से वी हैव कलेक्टेड इट, एंड यहाँ से विल बी गोइंग.
अराइवल्स यहाँ पे आगे हीथ्रो स्टेशन है रेलवेज़ के लिए, एलिजाबेथ लाइन्स एंड हीथ्रो एक्सप्रेस. दिस इज़ कोस्टा फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन गेट द फूड. दिस इज़ करेंसी एक्सचेंज सेंटर. This is from where you can get a wall to lift the first floor, second floor, third floor. This is exit. This is a waiting area. Here you can buy SIM card as well as you can or book Uber. And this is, we are having a very good. Hey, say hi.
So अब land करने के बाद the very first question is to reach the accommodation, and how to reach the accommodation. We have three modes of transportation here. One is the taxi, other is the bus, and last but not the least is a train. So a lady, she was very good to me, and she told me, beta, get a train, take this line and straight go to your place, and फिर वहाँ से आप चल के या बस से अपने घर पहुँच जाना. But then to be honest, I was really अफ्रेड टू गेट अ ट्रेन, बिकॉज मेरे पास बहुत सारा लगेज था. मैंने सुना था कि लंदन में बहुत सारी चोरियाँ वोरियाँ होती है, लगेज पिकअप होता है वगैरह वगैरह, तो मैंने तो नहीं किया. आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट टू गेट अ टैक्सी इफ़ यू आर वेरी वेरी न्यू, जैसे मेरी तरह पहली बार लंदन आ रहे हो, तो गेट अ टैक्सी, बिकॉज वो बहुत कन्वीनियंट है, बहुत ईजी है. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, आई एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट, बट देन डोंट रिस्क योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज यू रियली डोंट नो द रूट्स, राइट? But if you have someone who is coming to pick you up, so you can go with train or bus, so it's fine. Also, don't forget to get your gloves, cause it's very cold in the month of September and January. I just did this mistake and I was freezing out there. You can see I wore a muffler and everything. So as I already told you that I chose taxi over train and buses, cause I really don't know the route. I don't want to get lost on the streets of London on the very first day. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि कितने लोग हैं उसके ऊपर टैक्सी बुक नहीं करते. इट्स लाइक कि हाउ मच लगेज यू हैव फॉर द टैक्सी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, बिकॉज इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी में मुझे लगता है मेरा पूरा फैमिली आ जाएगा, जिया, मिथिल, पापा, मम्मी, सारे के सारे. तो इसलिए कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड, बिकॉज दिस इज़ हाउ इट वर्क्स हियर. Also, you will not get the taxi on the road which I was standing. You have to come to the pickup point to get a taxi. And finally, I have reached the place where I am residing. It's a student accommodation. To be honest, guys, don't come without booking accommodation in London. Yes, guys, accommodation. Accommodation here is a very important concern. So kindly book your accommodation before coming to UK, because it is very important. I don't want you guys to end up roaming on the streets of London. Because आप यहाँ आ रहे हो, आपको कोई नहीं जानता है, and also यहाँ पे आप किसी को नहीं जानते हो. So there is like no network of your here, so that you can get accommodation or something in a very quick, fast way. So to save you from all of this, I have a better solution for you guys. Book your accommodation with Amber Students. They are quite affordable, and not only in UK, they provide accommodation across Germany, USA, Canada, Ireland, and a lot of more countries. Moreover that, you know what, आपके नखरे भी वो लोग झेलेंगे, जैसे कि नहीं नहीं मुझे यहाँ पे घर नहीं चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट इन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव जोन्स इन लंडन. आई वॉन्ट इन जोन 3 में घर, आई वॉन्ट जोन 1 में घर. वेरेवर घर यू वॉन्ट, वेरेवर यू विश टू स्टे, लाइक for example, you want to stay near your university, or maybe you want to stay near the railway, cause you want to travel and explore the place, so they have a catch for you. ये सारे नखरे वो आपके झेलेंगे. So what you have to do is you have to go to the link in the description, click on it, and you know what, when you do it, you get a 50 GBP cashback on your booking as well. So get your hands on it as well. So as I said, book your accommodation and come. That is the major point here. अब इतना सब बोलने के बाद मुझे लगी बहुत ज़ोरों की भूख. सो आई गॉट सम ठेपला मेरे घर से ओनली, तो उसको मैंने गर्म किया था इस अवन, माइक्रो अवन में. एंड चलो लेट्स ईट दिस. सो अब मैं थोड़ा सेटल कर रही हूँ खुद को, लाइक जो भी मैंने मसाला इंडिया वगैरह से लाया था वो सब कुछ मैं पैकेट में डाल रही हूँ. एंड इट इज़ लाइक, आई मीन लाइक मसाला के पैकेट्स, आई एम पुटिंग इट इन द जार्स, आई गेस. After segregating all the masala, जीरा को देख के मुझे हमेशा मिथिल की याद आती है. Because once I asked him to get me जीरा, he got me fennel, soft. क्योंकि मिथिल is a हीरा. Mithil, for those who don't know who is Mithil, Mithil is my brother. There, if you guys see him anything. Understand?